Building a membership site and turning it into a full business is probably one of the best ideas you can think of to build passive income, increase your monthly revenue, or just add another income stream to your existing business. Now, it all comes down to this: what type of membership site could you be creating and how to do it step by step. That's why in this video, I'm partnering with MemberPress to show you exactly what are all the steps you need to take to build a WordPress membership site from scratch and how to promote it to grow your income and business. So let's get started. So hi, I'm Lydia. If you're new to my channel, on this channel we talk about social media marketing for business and how to make more money online. So if you're interested in these kind of topics, make sure to click the subscribe button below. Now, what is MemberPress? MemberPress is a premium WordPress plugin that allows you to host and manage your entire membership program directly from your WordPress website without paying extra fees, building other websites, or building the membership on another platform. You can just manage your entire business in one place only. You'll be able to view your members, your daily and monthly revenue, and all of your membership statistics directly in your WordPress website via the MemberPress plugin. Now, the plugin's pricing can differ from time to time because they often run sales to help entrepreneurs such as yours start their membership sites. So if you want to check out the plugin and download it for your own website, click the link below. Now here's how to use the MemberPress plugin step by step to start your membership site on your WordPress website. First, you will need a WordPress website all set up with hosting and everything else. If you want to start one without fuss and struggles, I recommend checking out Elementor Cloud. For only $99 per year. You get hosting and the Elementor Pro plugin that will help you design your website however you want. You won't need to buy another theme because you'll be able to use their theme builder to customize your website the way you want. So make sure to check out Elementor Cloud in the link below, or if you want to watch more about how to build a website with Elementor Cloud, you can watch this video right here. You will also need to purchase a domain and connect it to your website, and you can do that from GoDaddy. Their pricing and domain availability are amazing, so you can check out GoDaddy at the link below. Once your WordPress website is all set up, it is time to start setting up your membership site. For that, first you will need to think of what type of membership site can I start? What type of membership site is suited for my existing business if you already have a business, or what type would I enjoy creating content for if you don't have one already. If you want to know a few options of what membership sites are out there, you can check out this video right here in which I go through a few ideas and how they work so you can get inspired and pick one for your business. Once you've decided on the type of membership site you want to have, let's say you want to start a membership site for bloggers to help them grow their business. You want to offer them resources, PDFs, templates, video courses on how to grow their blogs. For people that need help in creating, growing, and monetizing their blogs, once you choose the desired membership site type, it is time to start putting together an action plan for your membership site. This part is very important because it will determine exactly how your membership site will function. So make sure your action plan answers these following questions. How many products or resources will your membership site be launched with in the beginning? How many other products or resources or video courses will you be adding gradually every single month, and at exactly what date? What is the monthly pricing for your membership? Do you have an yearly membership plan available that is maybe more affordable? If yes, what bonuses will you be offering to the people that are joining your yearly membership? Next, how will you be promoting your membership site? Do you have a business name ready, a branding mood board, a logo, social media accounts that you want to promote your membership site on that are set up and ready to create content for? This is also very important because this is what will bring new members to your site. You have to think of all of these things before launching your membership site, and also make a list of all the resources, ebooks, maybe PDFs, checklists, video courses that you'll be adding in the membership for launching, as well as make a list of exactly what resources will you be launching for the first 6 months at least. Because this will help you make sure that you will not tell people that they will receive some resources monthly and then they won't once they join your membership. This will not be good for your business since your members paid for it. It has to be included at the exact date that you mentioned in the membership, and people need to be receiving those resources because they are paying a monthly fee for it. If you are interested in this video right here, I talk a lot more about how to build a Canva templates membership site for your business, showing you how to build the templates, how to create downloadable files for them, how to include them in your membership, and much more. So if you're interested in that type of a membership site, make sure to check out that video. Let's say that you've created some resources for your membership site and you are ready to put it together. Now it is time to go check out the MemberPress plugin at the link below and download it, and then we will go and upload it to our WordPress website. So you can purchase the MemberPress license by using the link below. Don't forget to also copy the license key when you get your MemberPress plugin, and then go to your WordPress website, plugins, upload, and add the zip folder you just downloaded, and then also add the license key for verification, and your plugin should be installed. Now let's go ahead and set up the membership. The first thing you want to do is set up a payment method for the members that will be joining your site. So for that, go to MemberPress, Settings, Payments, and set up your desired payment type. You can also go through step by step all the other settings that you would want to do for your membership. You can edit emails, pages, account, and much more. Now to set up your membership, let's first create some pages. Go to your pages and create a members only page, as well as a resources for bloggers page and a videos page, for example. As an example, we will use these two pages to set up two types of memberships. One will be the basic one and will give the members access to some resources for bloggers, and the other one will also give them access to video courses, for example. After creating those pages, go ahead and add them to your menu by going to Appearance, Menus, and create a special menu with a drop down for the members. You can edit these pages with Elementor Pro for the best results and for a customized look for your site. So when people will be clicking on the members only page, it will show them the options to subscribe to your membership. The basic one will show the resources page, and the pro one will show the videos as well. Then you need to go to memberships in the MemberPress plugin, click add new, and add the basic one. You can add its monthly pricing, a free trial if you want, and then save it. You can do the same for the pro one, choose a different pricing, a higher pricing option, and add any details or descriptions you like. Next, you need to go ahead to the pages and add some content to those pages, such as videos, templates, or whatever you want to add. Once you do that, and let's say your pages are kind of ready to receive new members, you can go ahead and add the rules for those pages to allow only members to view that content. For that, go to MemberPress, Rules, Add New, and add a rule that only people that are subscribed to the basic plan can view the templates file, that you can tag those pages with basic, for example, for the first membership type, and then add a new rule, and that the people that have access to the pro membership can also see the pages tagged with basic and the ones tagged with pro. And make sure to tag those pages accordingly for your membership. Tags will allow you to keep track of your membership's protected content and will allow you to add new membership types and options in the future. With Elementor Pro, the plugin that I linked down below and that I suggested you use for your website design, you can design any page to your liking, from the My Account page to the subscribe page for your membership, the Canva templates page, and anything else you want. It is a super easy drag and drop plugin that you can use for your entire website, and to even create a theme from scratch, such as add your own menu, footer, and anything else. Now you can also think of memberships that allow you to pay monthly, quarterly, yearly, and more. You can also have them pay once and have lifetime access and much more. Now once you've created your membership, it is time to add new content monthly, or how often you decided to add new content. You can also offer a free trial for new visitors to be convinced to become members, or just offer free content such as a freebie to get people to subscribe to your email list, be informed of new items in your membership, and ultimately become members. Of course, also make sure to do some pre-launch promotions on social media and everything else so people will be aware of the membership that you're starting, especially if you already have an audience. But once your membership is launched, make sure to promote it via your blog posts, Pinterest, Instagram, YouTube, and anything else. Any other platform that you have an audience on is a platform that you should use for your business promotion. So there you go. This is how you build a membership site step by step by using the MemberPress plugin for WordPress. Be sure to watch the videos below on MemberPress and how to create a Canva templates membership site and get a few ideas of other membership sites that you can be creating for your business. And of course, how to generate more revenue with your membership site. That was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed it, don't forget to leave it a like and subscribe down below. You can find me on social media at Lydia.incomingsuccess, and I will see you in my next video.